Now I'm going to explain the program part 2 C. So this is a combination of the program part 1. So the program part 1, we have done the calculating for perimeter hexagon of 2 hexagon, and one is the summing the odd number and the even number. So in program part 2C, we're going to do a menu for user to select either to choose to do the correction of hexagon or the summing of odd or even. So in here, I use P1 message 1 to do to declare for the message that used in the hexagon incorporation hexagon, and a P2 message to declare for the value that will be used in the summing odd and even. And this menu message 1 2 option 1 2 instead of message 1 2 by message is the menu selection. So let's go into the code. Start with the debugging. So you can see in the code, the first is a move EDX offset menu message 1, then call write string. It will outputting the menu message 1, which is welcome to simple math activities. Then the second is do the same thing to menu message 2, select your option. And the third is the select message 1, which is the 2 correct, and the second is 2 correct sum, which is the menu message which is op 1 and op 2. Sorry, op 1 is op and op 2 is to giving the selection, which is this message, and the select message 1 is select your input, which is this will be outputting. So after giving this the menu to user, the user can choose to key in the first or two or others value. So after this all outputting, it will call. Then the next command is called read decimal, which is the user can input 1 2 or others message, and the first command is to compare EAX1. Since the one will be stored in EAX, the one will be compared with EAX. If the user input 1, so it is correct, then it will jump to peri hex will do, which is doing the calculation of the perimeter hex of the hexagon command. And if the user key in 2, then in this line you compare EAX with 2. So if the EAX is 2, which is same, it will call sum. It will jump to the call sum odd even, which is doing the calculation of sum, which is here, which is calculation of sum of either odd or even. Then if the user don't input 1 or 2, it will exit. We will go to the exit program. So in exit program here, it will move EDX offset by message, call write string, which is outputting the by message, and exit the program. So if the user choose 1 or 2, it will go to either one of these activities. So after the activities, both for calculate sum, odd even, and the perimeter hexagon, calculation of the perimeter hexagon, you will go to a jump continue menu, as you can see here. So for the calculated sum, odd even, you will also go to a jump continue menu. So in the jump continue menu, it will okay, let's see in terminal. So if I choose 1 and outputting, okay, after that it will move EDX offset select message 2, which is EDX pointing to select message 2 address, and call write string outputting the message, which is total parameter hexagon 1 and 2. This will be which is continue type Y and exit type. this message will be outputting. Then user can output can write, can see in y, can input y or and or others value. If the user key in y, it will go to the main menu, which is giving the user to choose one, either one of the activities again, which is here. And if the user key in, wait a second, okay, continue. If the user key in n, you jump to the exit program, which is here, and then go to the exit. If the user key in y, not neither y nor nan, it will also go to the exit program as well. So if the user key in y, okay, you can do it again. Select input 3, select input sorry, debug uh, if the user key in 1, input hexagon. Oh, sorry, the select input also writing wrong. Maybe just not okay. Just never mind. Input hexagon. Okay, so 21, 30, 30. So after that, if the user select to Y, and so they can choose again. Like I can choose 2 and do the second operation. So after that, like that. Okay. So that's all for me. Thank you.